Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Kids. I'm Shraddha Singh. Today we are going to learn about how to record voice in Scratch. Okay, so first we need to search for this Scratch. After that, you have to click on this link which is scratch.mit.edu. I will give you this link in your comment section or in the description box. You will get the same link. After that, how you will create a new project. So you need to just click on this create button. So you can access our Scratch playlist. In this playlist, you will get lots of project which is related to our Scratch. Even in our other playlist, you will get a Python program. You will get Thunkable, which is our app development. After that, you will get some machine learning project. Okay, so you can access our channel, which is Code for Kids. In that, you will get lots of videos. So sometime Scratch is little bit like you will get your response little bit late. So you have to wait for that. Okay. So see, you have to just search for YouTube. Then search for our channel, which is Code for Kids. After that, you will get lots of videos here. So you can access our playlist machine learning, Python, Thunkable, Scratch. Okay. So see, this is our project. Perfect. So you will get this screen. Okay. After that, here how you will record a voice. So first thing, I will delete this cat. I will take one beautiful backdrop. So you need to just click on choose a backdrop. Whatever backdrop we want, we can just select that. Suppose I want conversation. So suppose I want to add this bedroom. After that, we can add some sprite. So here we have a lots of sprite. Whatever sprite you want, you can add. Suppose I want to add the Avery and I want to add the second sprite, which is suppose Abby. So see, we have two sprite here. This is our first one and this one is the second one. Okay. After that, what we want, even we can change the direction. You can change. Okay. So after that, we want the conversation between Abby and Avery. So first we have to click on Abby. We need to just go to the event, click on when flag is clicked. So when flag is clicked, what we want to say like a hello, my name is Abby. So you have to record a voice. How you will record that voice? So you have to just go to this sound. Click on this choose a sound. Here we have this record option. Okay, so you have to record. Hello everyone, my name is Abby. So you can adjust that. See? Hello everyone, my name is Abby. So save. So now we have to just come to our coding part. Go to the sound tab. Here we can start this sound. Now see what will happen. Hello everyone, my name is Abby. Okay, so you will get this sound. After that, when Abby is saying hello everyone, my name is Abby, till that we have like a Avery to be wait, right? So again we need to click on Avery, go to the event when flag is clicked. So we want to wait for some second. So where we will get the wait, inside our control we have this wait. So suppose that recording is around 4 seconds. So we have to wait for 4 seconds. After that, we can say, hello, my name is Avery. Okay. So just go to this record. Hello, my name is Avery. So we can adjust this. Hello, my name is Avery. So click on save. Now come to our coding part. Here just go to this sound. You will get start sound, but that is our recording too, right? Wait. Hello everyone, my name is Abby. Hello, my name is Avery. Okay, so you will get it. After that, what we want? We want like Avery has to be say like how are you, how was your day. So again you have to just go to this sound, click on record. Hi Abby, how are you, how was your day dear? See. Hi Abby, how are you, how was your day dear? We will take the entire. Hi Abby, how are you, how was your day dear? Click on save. Now come to your code part. Here we can start our recording too. Okay, now see. Hello everyone, my name is Abby. Hello, my
Abby,
name
how
is
are you? How
Avery.
was your day, dear?
Yeah, so here you will get some lagging. So you have to again wait for some second, right? So we need to, so here we have 4. So we want around 7 to 8 seconds. So what we have to do after this recording, suppose if I will wait for 4 seconds, now see what will happen.
Hello everyone, my name is Abby.
Hello, my name is Avery. After
Hi
4
Abby, how
seconds,
are you? How was your day, dear?
you will get hi Abby, how are you? How was your day? Okay, so like that, we can start the conversation, even we can record the voice. Okay, so in this way, we can record the voice in the scratch. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much.